In the latest buzz surrounding Jada Kingdom, the singer has gotten her lips done. Jada, who is said to be dating Burna Boy, was recently seen flaunting a pair of plump lips in her Instagram stories. In the past, there were rumors about her undergoing cosmetic surgery on her body, which she denied, saying her transformation was due to natural weight loss. Although she has not directly confirmed her lip augmentation, there is no denying that she has gotten them enhanced. Jada also removed all of her content from her Instagram feed and saved the story as a highlight under the hashtag I don't give one F. So, new boo, new lips, new gram. What do you think about Jada's new look? Comment below.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range.